Welcome everyone to this episode of the Ask Jason Gelios Show. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I appreciate you tuning in to this episode where I'm going to be sharing with you 5 groups of people who should have life insurance, right? Life insurance is a very important thing. Life is not guaranteed, and so to have insurance on your life, as creepy as it sounds, it's actually a smart move to make. So I'm going to share with you the 5 groups that should have life insurance. The first one is a group that has unpaid loans or debt, right? Which quite honestly could be everybody, right? If you have a car payment, if you have credit card payments, if you have a mortgage, things like that. What would happen if you passed away or if you were killed in any way, shape, or form? What would happen to those debts? And would they be paid off with a life insurance policy? So this group, number one, is if you have unpaid debts or loans. Second one is you're a breadwinner. So if you're the provider of your family, you need life insurance. It ensures that your spouse and children are actually set, and I want to say set for life, but depending on the policy that you pick. So if you're the breadwinner and something happens to you, your family and children would be set. They wouldn't have to worry about making that payment or taking care of anything else, especially if you're older and your children are older as well. Third one is you have a mortgage. I kind of mentioned this in number 1, but this is, like nothing could be more tragic than if you have a mortgage and let's say your spouse has to take care of it because, you passed, something happened. So you want to make sure that you have life insurance, especially if you have a mortgage. Fourth one is you have aging parents who rely on you. Are you taking care of a loved one or loved ones? Are they living with you? If something happens to you, they're going to be in a hurtful situation. So you want to make sure that you have life insurance if you are taking care of family members, especially aging parents. And then the 5th one is you're a business owner. So business debts left behind can be a burden to family as well. I'm not an expert on who would be responsible for paying off business debts, but I can tell you that if you have life insurance, it makes things a lot easier. So these are the five groups that should have life insurance. Share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about these? Did I miss a group? Do you have life insurance? Is it something that makes you feel warm and comfortable, which it should? Go ahead and share those thoughts in the comments. And I invite you to follow me on social media. Those links are in the description. Otherwise, I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I appreciate you watching.